All right, ladies and gentlemen, the last video took you through steps 2 and 3 on your Google Classroom. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about step 4. It's probably the last 5 to 10 minutes of class. Here's an easy opportunity for you to begin reviewing for your test and potentially earn a little bit of extra credit. So step 4 says, with any time remaining, complete the matching and fill in the blank review mini games assigned to you via your online textbook. So how you get to that? In the online textbook, you should have 2 additional assignments pushed to you that I haven't mentioned yet. And they're the newest ones, so make sure you're starting in your tab that says assignments not begun or something to that effect. And then you might have a couple pages of them. You need to get to the furthest back page, which will have the newest material. So these topic mini games, there are 2 that I've given you the option of working on. One is a European colonization of North America, fill in the blank. And it will look something like this. And it'll have some information about Jamestown and Plymouth and settlers in Massachusetts. And you choose the correct answer, just like you might do on one of our Google Forms on a test. You can push the drop down menu and choose the right answer and then submit it. So the first one, the first successful British colony in North America was at Jamestown, Virginia. The Virginia Company was given a charter by the king. This was a legal document giving certain rights to a person or company. You may need to go back into the online textbook, or it might be easier to use the paper copy and look up some of these concepts if you're not sure what they mean, and then try to choose the best answer. The second possible assignment, and the lengthier one, is European colonization of North America matching. And up top there are a list of key terms. Many of these we talked about yesterday, like Great Awakening, Dame School, Protestant Reformation we talked about a few days ago. And then below them are a series of definitions. So let's do the Great Awakening. The Great Awakening, I know, was a religious movement in the colonies. We talked about that yesterday. It was the last slide we had. So I'm going to click on the Great Awakening, click on a religious movement to movement in the colonies, and then it's going to tell me well done. So I click, and it pulls the cards over there. And there are actually a couple of these you can do, so get as far as you can, submit it, and earn a few extra credit points. Beyond that, study this weekend. If you haven't done the project, please finish and turn in the project. I'm working on contacting your homes to remind your parents, guardians, and other loved ones to make you do the project so that you can pass the class. Other than that, have a good weekend, and I will see you Monday.